Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fried rice omelet. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients for both the flavorful fried rice and the fluffy omelet. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked rice, ideally day-old, and your favorite protein, perhaps 150 grams of chicken or shrimp. Don't forget 3 large eggs, a half cup of mixed vegetables, and essential seasonings like soy sauce and sesame oil. Having your pans ready will make the process smooth. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the fried rice. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add your protein and vegetables, stir-frying them until they are almost cooked, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, incorporate the day-old rice, ensuring you break up any clumps. Stir-fry for 2 minutes, then season with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Mix everything thoroughly. Next, we'll prepare the perfect omelet to encase our fried rice. Whisk 3 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until they are just combined, avoiding overmixing. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a small non-stick omelet pan over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan, gently swirling it to coat the bottom evenly. Cook until the edges are set and the center remains slightly moist, which typically takes about 1 minute, ensuring a tender texture. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious fried rice omelet. Carefully slide the perfectly cooked omelet onto a serving plate. Take a generous portion of your flavorful fried rice and place it onto one half of the omelet. Then, gently fold the other half of the omelet over the fried rice, creating a beautiful, neat pocket. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a drizzle of sriracha. Now, it's ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.